Necessity, they say, is the mother of all invention, especially in time like now, that the world is fighting a common enemy, that is the COVID-19 pandemic.
With Nigeria having its fair share of the pandemic, government at all levels, with the support of corporate bodies, groups and individuals, are working round the clock towards finding solution to the COVID-19 scourge. For the academic and research institutions, it is an opportunity to look inwards towards coming up with solutions to some of these problems, and that the Abubakar Tafawa Balewa University of Technology, Bauchi, has done with the invention of a disinfectant, ventilator, aerosol box, and the ATBU COVID-19 CXR classifier, a software for coronavirus test.
Academics all over the world were contributing to solve problems, particularly problems of treatment, repurposing drugs to treat COVID-19, vaccine, research of vaccine, as well as research on medical equipment, because whatever has been available has become scarce. So most hospitals are having high volume of patients with very few ventilators and other vital medical equipment to cope with the pandemic.
With the capacity to do more, the Abubakar Tafawa Balewa University is determined to provide solutions to some of the nation's health sector challenges, especially in the areas of equipment and software development.
We learned about these ventilators, and we found that why can't us think of a ventilator? We now call and we sample the engineers. We want to have a ventilator in this week or two. Can we have it? They say, let them try. So we in the university said, okay, give us your cost. What is the financial implication? And they gave, and I think we have done our own part, and the engineers have done their own part. I think what we are trying to say is that if we can have encouragement from government, we will do more than what we are doing now.
The school premises, there were all the office equipment, so we had to get a lot of them and then look at their mechanisms, how they work, and then see how we can be able to repurpose and then come up with our own design. So we had a host of those equipments, and then some part of the systems we had to design them from the scratch. So we did it and then put everything together, and then we had our systems working.
In Bauchi, Mahmoud Ibn Muhammad, NTA News.